Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Jeep. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. And then the button here in the top left hand of the quarter to steering wheel position, the VR button, click. Settings.
Select one of the following. Bluetooth device pairing. Select Bluetooth device. Language. Voice training. Tutorial. Help. Main menu. Or cancel to exit.
Bluetooth device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices?
Pair a device.
Refer to www.jeep.com/uconnect for list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
1111.
PIN code 1111. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Barry's iPhone.
Adding.
Barry's iPhone.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1. Barry's iPhone.
Set to priority 1. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device. See device manual for instructions.
There you go. It said hands-free at first, but then it's changed to Uconnect. So we'll click Uconnect, and then the PIN. Fortunately, I can remember what it was.
Pairing complete.
Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow, and that's it done.